Hey you guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson, and in today's video, I want to share with you how to get rhinestones absolutely free so you can bling out your Easter egg basket. That's right, absolutely free. Okay? And before we get into this video, I need to take time out and I want to thank each and every one of my subscribers. Man, you guys are so amazing and I am truly, truly grateful to each and every one of you. And if you are new and never seen any of my videos before, please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified of my upcoming videos. With that being said, let's get it. Okay, you guys, I want to talk to you for a minute about this Easter egg basket. I am going to do these for teens. I am also going to do these for my grandbabies because I already previously did them some gift baskets, balloon gift baskets for Valentine's Day. So we're going to rock with the egg for Easter. Now, I want to tell you how to bling out your egg if you choose to, absolutely free. Just a little something, okay? Now, before I get into that, let me go over what I did with this egg. Now, with this egg, I wiped it down with alcohol to remove any fingerprints, scuff marks, any residue from the stickers that you take off of the egg, okay? And I just slapped on an image, the image I purchased off of Etsy. If you are familiar with Cricut Design Space, the image is 5 inches height. I kept it locked. And yeah, so there she is. Now, when I slapped her on there, it was, as far as in the hair, it was real wrinkly. That's because it's not a smooth surface. So of course you can't see it now because it's blinged out. So I wasn't worried about too much about it, but I just wanted to make sure that the face was nice and smooth, okay? So I want to give credit to Do Dream On. I advise y'all to check out her videos to actually see step by step how to make and create the egg. But I just want to focus on the rhinestones, okay? Now, I purchased rhinestones from Blingy Thingy, okay? That's where I get my rhinestones, off of Etsy. All right, that's where I get them. Now, when you order from her, she gives you free samples with your order, just like that. And I have a gang of free samples. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of, let me turn this light off. See if you can, you can't really even see it that well, but it's, oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. Very pretty, very pretty. So I have a gang of these, a whole bunch of those. And so I just used my free samples and to create this absolutely free. And as you can see, this one has black in it. And I just took a little dish and separated them and used the black ones and just used the colors that I wanted out of my free samples. And boom, there you have it. How to bling out your Easter egg gift basket absolutely free. Absolutely free, absolutely free. Okay, you guys, I quickly wanted to show you this part of the Easter egg basket. I emptied out took the basket apart and emptied it out. All right, and we're going to refill it. Now, I'm just going to show you what I'm doing. This right here is a nail kit that I picked up from Family Dollar for $2.50. The original price was $10. All right, and all I'm going to do is use a few of these out of here and place them inside of these clear eggs so you can actually see the fingernail polish, okay? So they're small enough to fit inside of here. I picked this up from Dollar Tree for $1.25. So I am going to use all of those. So we're just gonna rock with 4 colors. And I'm going to, okay, so now we got our eggs ready with our fingernail polish, and now we're gonna rock with this. I picked this up from Dollar General for 30 cents. The original price, it was $3, okay? Now, all I'm gonna do is remove the sticker, and now we have a problem because it has this on here. And all I'm gonna do is cover it up. I'm just gonna use a flower and glue it right on there just like that, okay? Okay, next we're gonna put this in the basket. Now I got a gang of these. I got a few of these for a penny. I found some of these for pennies, and I also have some that I paid 30 cents for. Okay, and the original price is $3, so we're gonna rock with this. We might rock with this, I don't know. We'll see if we have one. And all I'm gonna do is just take the price tag off. I am going to also rock with these. I picked these up again at Dollar General. The original price was $5. I paid 50 cents for it, and we're just gonna rock with a few of these. All right. And last but not least, well, no, not last, I lied. Okay, hold on a sec. And I'm also going to use this. This was originally $10. I paid $1 for it, and I am simply going to open this up and use one of these. Probably use this one. This one's pretty. So I'm gonna rock with that one, okay? And of course, we're going to have some candy. So I'm gonna add candy to the eggs, and boom, that's it. There you have it. And then, oh no. And then I'm going to use the white Easter grass because I want these to really show and pop through, okay? Just like that. So I'm gonna assemble everything, put everything together, and you will see the final results. Hey you guys, guess what? We are finished. We are finished with this Easter egg basket. It is 100% completed and ready to go. And I want to mention, I used Dollar Tree rose gold glitter vinyl for the words, okay? Now the black is not Dollar Tree, okay? The black, I already had that, but I just wanted to tell y'all that to let you know that you can use Dollar Tree vinyl, all right? So, yes, this is the final product. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.